Hi, I'm Cheryl Sitz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. There's all kinds of goodies in here. I've been involved in personal development for about 20 years and in holistic wellness and deeper spiritual work and mindfulness and those things for about 10 years. So you'll find all kinds of treasures in here. I've also been involved in small businesses and small business management for most of my adult life. So, nestled throughout, you'll also find references to business management and entrepreneurship. A little something for everyone. I hope you'll have to take the time to play. One of the playlists that you'll find here is my Exploring Possibilities podcast. Since 2013, I've had the pleasure to interview some amazing people in holistic and spiritual wellness. Some of those you've heard of, like Michael Tamura, Deborah Silverman, J.P. Sears, John Perkins. He's the one that has the Pachamama Alliance and Dream Change. Michael Rachia, who channeled the Joseph Communications. Joseph Gordon, who was a consultant to the White House on holistic health and traveled the world helping people in war torn areas overcome anxiety and PTSD and trauma. James Redfield, who wrote the Celestine Prophecy, Ariana Joy, Tonya Rekla, and many, many more. Just amazing individuals. Some of them you've heard of, some of them you'll be discovering for the first time, and you'll be so glad you did. Some famous, some not so famous, but all with timeless wisdom. So don't worry about when it was recorded or the dates, they really mean nothing. That's the beauty of deep wisdom. It is timeless. Another one just came to mind, Linda Starr Wolf and her work with, what is it? Venus Rising Academy. Yeah, there's just some amazing people. So I hope you'll dig in and spend some time and really enjoy it. One of the guests that I got to interview was Diane Robbins, and that followed a really interesting ceremony I had in Peru and led to me, with her blessing, being able to record on this channel in its entirety, cover to cover, Messages from the Hollow Earth, the channeled messages of Mikos from the Library of Porthalagos. That is also its own playlist. There is a vision board workshop in here that you can do with friends or on your own, and so many other great finds. And we're just getting started. I did my podcast audio only for a long time, but now I'm starting to do those in video format and they'll be here. But some of the audio formats are here as well. That entire library and the rest of my work can be found at journeyofpossibilities.com because that's what life is, right? It's a journey of possibilities. There's more good stuff to come. I plan to record some classes and put together some more material, kind of blending the best of what I've offered for so long. I did life coaching and personal success coaching and entrepreneurship coaching, like I said, for the last 20 years. And then I learned what I was missing because my own life kind of fell apart in a way, came together in a way. Funny how looking back, that's the same thing. I was led to discover that I had some stuff I hadn't resolved from my own childhood, and I had been racing through life trying to fill a void with success that can't be filled with it. Trying to fill the parts I didn't love of myself with other people's love, and that doesn't work either. So the last decade I have been discovering for myself and adding into my coaching services and my programs the value of things like self awareness, mindfulness, pausing, and really reflecting on our lives and what we really want and how we really feel. That point where you stop reacting to everyone else and what they want and you start to center in your own self. Who am I? What do I want? Why am I here? I've trained with Dan Brule in breath work, and that's amazing. So that's a big part of what I do now. It's transformational what can happen when we stop and breathe very deeply, very slowly, even just 3 times. But more than that, wow. There's stuff on journaling, there's lots more that's going to come. So, I'm looking forward to sharing all of that with you. Look around the channel. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future offerings. And if you'd like to work with me one on one, we can do some profound stuff together. You can link up with me at cherylsitz.com and we can do that. You can even schedule directly from my website some time with me. I would enjoy that. So look around, have fun. Be sure and comment, strike up some conversations in the comments. I will address those as I see them. And welcome to your journey of possibilities.